statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Maryland and Arundel, Baltimore and Howard, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for South Central Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, eastern Howard County in central Maryland, southern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 4 p.m. At 11:02 a.m., the reporting gauge at Elkridge on the Patapsco River is above flood stage. Minor flooding can be expected along the Patapsco downstream from Elkridge towards the city of Baltimore, including near River Road and West Nursery Road. This includes flood-prone locations Route 1 at Levering Avenue near the Patapsco, and Furnace Avenue at Ridge Road. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is a